If you want to check your YouTube community post you already posted by using your iPad, I show you two different ways. First way, so head it to YouTube app and just click here and just click switch account and select the YouTube account you want. Then click view channel, this one, and post. So here you can see all the posts you made on your channel. Everything will be found here until the day 1. So here you can see the comments and replies. Everything here you can find that. If you want to make a new comment, you just came here and just click this comment option and just type something like that and add. So it's added. And if you want to see the comments replies means, here you can find that, or another way is you just need to click this notifications. Here you can see that like this. Now second way, you just edit to YT Studio app and just click here and switch account and change the account if you want. For me I don't want that. Then click analytics, then switch to content and post. Here you can see everything. So this is top image post, polls, quiz, text post, video post. For me this one. So I got 1 like here. In the last 28 days you can switch between days. So for the past 7 days I didn't post any image post. And if you click this notification, here you can see the post replies. So this is basically how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube on iPad, you need to watch this playlist.